Good afternoon, traders. I'm putting this video together on Monday, May 2nd. Going to put together a couple ideas. Basically going to look at the overall market, and then we'll look at a couple of ideas that we've been swinging. There have been some great trades and some great profit-making opportunities. First off, the QQQ. We have moved up here considerably, and we're basing along. This is exactly what we want to see. I want to see maybe a little bit of a pullback or a base, and then we can look to possibly go higher. Now, if the volume picked up here, we could also short into this move lower and try to look at about a 50% retracement here, probably to the 57.5 level or down here. Okay, we'll just have to see how it plays out, but right now we're just basing. The SSO, on the other hand, has been moving higher, and a little more weakness today because it gapped up and then it closed down, and actually the volume here is a little bit more concerning for longs. Okay, so I think in the next couple days, the rest of this week, we'll probably have a pullback consolidation. I don't think we're going to rocket higher this week, which is healthy. This is what we want to do. Okay, now a couple things. I want to follow up on one of the monster swing trades I've been talking to people about for over a month. This thing broke out right here at $8 a share, MPEL. All right, we called it and we took it. Now it's up $3. It's time to take some profits. Take some profits off the table. This has been a beautiful run, and if you look at the weekly chart based on my targets, the target was around $14. The ultimate target's $14. Now, based on this retracement and retracement concepts, you are right there in the middle, and $11 was a perfect place to get out of at least half your position. The rest of it, you could run a trailing stop on a weekly to try to get the 14, or you could even keep it tighter on a daily. But this has been a beautiful trade. Hopefully you guys took advantage of it. As I've said, I've been mentioning it for quite some time. The other one I want to mention here is Tesla. Now, as you'll recall, Tesla was one. Let me go to the weekly chart. Tesla was one I called back in here to buy long, and we took it here and rode this thing up for this monster run way back in mid-late 2010, and it's setting up here again. This little pattern here, this little gap fill off this potent gap up and retracement up here. I'm looking for a base, a pivot, something to give me a little something to plant my feet off of to ride this thing up into this area up here. It's not ready yet, but I want you to keep your eyes on Tesla. It's on my swing list as a watch. Okay, A1 is another one that's on my swing list for a watch. Now, a lot of people are saying, hey, this isn't a downtrend. Yes, it is. But what I'm seeing is a possible bounce, and this isn't something you're going to get married to. It's something you're going to look to take about $1 out of, and with a stop of 25 cents or so. But you'll see here on the weekly, we came down and we really flushed the toilet on a lot of the people that were long on this thing. When it took out this area, you could see the volume pick up. I think this means it's going to bounce. I think it could get as high as 10. We'll see. But watch A1 for a swing long position. I'm looking to buy it above maybe $6.10 here with a stop real tight on about 580, 575 in this area to hold. Okay, and looking to ride it up here to the 750 area for a first target, and of course an ultimate target of 10. So watch that stock as well. And finally, Red Hat. Red Hat here. Another one that was kind of inching down and then had this powerful gap up, pulled back some, and is holding the area here. If you look at the weekly chart, you'll see we're in a pretty nice long uptrend. You've had a decent correction here, shaking some people from the tree, and I think if the market gets strong again and continues higher, this one goes higher too. So watch this for a long opportunity. There is no pattern here just yet, but we're looking for that. But stay with me. Come to the room if you got questions. I got the free chat room open. Email me, tom@tomwillardtrading.com, and make it a great week, guys, and hope you found this video useful and helpful. Talk to you all soon.